fucking eyes that I'm staring at. Let me see that ass. Look at all this cash. And I emptied out my cards too. Now I'm fucking leaning on that. Bring your love, baby, I could bring my shame. Bring the drugs, baby, I could bring my pain. I got my heart right here. I got my scars right here. Bring the cups, baby, I could bring the drink. Bring your body, baby, I could bring you fame. And that's my motherfucking words too. Just let me motherfucking love you. Listen, ma, I'll give you all I got. Give me all for this. I need confidence in myself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Listen, ma, I'll give you all of me. Give me all of it. I need all of it to myself. Whoa. So tell me you love me. Only for tonight. Only for. Even though you don't love me. Just tell me you love me. I'll give you what I need. I'll give you what. Even though you don't love me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Let me see you dance. I love to watch you dance. Take you down another level and get you dancing with the devil. Take a shot of this, but I'm wanting you. I'm on that shit that you can't smell, baby. So put down your perfume. Bring your love, baby, I could bring my shit. Bring the drugs, baby, I could bring my pain.